You can find lots in a big city. Often you don't suspect how easy it is to find things interesting to you. We created Favor-Aim, your personal list of events and offers. It's a website as well as practical applications, helping you to be aware of the events useful to you. Tell us about your interests. Can you be a music fan or an admirer of old Hollywood movies? Or could your hobby be to develop computer games or modern dances? Enter any subjects which you would like to receive the information on. Having specified your professional activity, you can get information on actions useful to your career or business. Add the events for free and gather people with similar hobbies around you. Don't worry about additional promotion. Favor-Aim will offer you event to those who are interested in.
The main point of our service is an information selection taking into account personal features and preferences. We created technologies that will help to be aware of important events and offers. It will be useful both for leisure planning and at work. Just specify your favorite kind of sport, style of music, hobby, perhaps you are keen on a sitcom or a game. Any subject interesting to you. Favor-Aim will connect your interest with real events.
People travel more and more, therefore we made our technologies global. Specify your interests in any language, and they will be considered when searched in other country. You shouldn't follow 10 resources to find the necessary information. Favor-Aim will notify you events important for you. We know each person is unique. Everyone has his interests.